Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I would like to share with you recipe of mixed vegetable curry. It is very simple and also healthy. About that, this is based on diet techniques of Veeramachaneni Ramakrishnan. So without any delay, let us start this.
For this curry, we need 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped capsicum, 1 chopped onion, 2 to 3 chopped green chilli, half chopped cabbage, coriander leaves, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, rock salt according to taste. I have grounded this. Half tablespoon garam masala, 3 to 4 tablespoon ghee, cumin seeds and mustard seeds, 1 spoon each. I have taken this mixed in a bowl. First, I have taken ghee in this pan. Then I am going to add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. After that, let us add curry leaves. Then green chilli and mix this. After this, we are going to add onion. Now it's time to add all the veggies, carrot, capsicum, cabbage, and let's mix this well. After this, let's add salt according to taste and let us cook this for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Here this is almost cooked. Now we are going to add red chilli powder to this and again we are going to mix this well. Our veg curry is almost ready. Now let us add garam masala and mix it well. Mixed vegetable curry is ready. Garnish this with coriander before you serve.
For more health videos, please press the subscribe button and also don't miss to press the bell icon when you subscribed it.